We're here at Mini Cooper of Orlando, and we have the brand new 2020 JCW Clubman. Can you believe it? Arrived off the truck yesterday, and I'm gonna take this bad boy home. Notice the dark rings around the beautiful eyeballs there. What a car. 19-inch wheels. This is the JCW wheels. Gorgeous. The brand new review mirrors. Opted for all chrome on the outside, so you can do that. You can eliminate this dark Mini and keep it chrome. I like that better because you can actually see that it's a Mini. Notice that beautiful grille. What a car, and has the sunroof on top. Just do a walk around here. Custom exhaust built from the factory, so it has that beautiful baffle in there. This is just a electronic opener, and then you can use your foot, so I'm just opening it that way. All kinds of goodies back here. Naturally. Isn't this beautiful?
Yeah.
And this is one of the great guys down here that's helped me over the years.
How you doing?
Say hi to YouTube.
How you doing, YouTube?
Yeah, this is one beautiful car. Thank you. Thank you.
That thing's awesome.
It is, isn't it? Beautiful car. People have said over the years, how about that beam in the center? Can you see through it? You know, when you're up there driving this beast, you know what? I don't even notice it. And now we're gonna take a quick look in the inside. Oh. Wow. Wow, this stick shift is a little something to get used to. Touch screen, naturally. All this beautiful leather. This has that lounge leather package. And this all lights up. All this. And put Seal-A-Jet on it. So that's why it looks so gorgeous. So here at Mini of Orlando, they will make your dreams come true. I know I've had a blast, and I highly recommend them. Highly recommend them, guys. Especially Anthony. He's usually back in there, head of service. This is one fun place. You can buy any flavor, but naturally suggest you buy a Mini Cooper Clubman. So this is a 2020 JCW racing motor, 301 to 306 horse, whichever you want to say.